I'm Niti and today I'm gonna do what I eat in a day. So usually when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I do is come down and make my matcha, but today I woke up a little bit late, so I'm gonna now make my matcha and then I'm gonna make my breakfast, my very delicious oats breakfast, which I love. It's like having dessert for your breakfast. So yeah, let's get cooking. So I got these lights from here installed. So let's make it green. Let's get cooking. This is my matcha area. This is my most used area right now. It used to be this place, which is the coffee area, and this little container of my matcha, which I absolutely dig in right now. So I'm going to be using this wooden bowl, and then I'm going to be taking my matcha scooper and I'm just going to be putting it in here. Again, I am just going to be scooping my green tea and I'm just going to be putting it here. I am going to be adding some hot water to this. My favorite thing to do is use this bamboo whisk to whisk my matcha. When it's a little bit foamy like this, it's ready. And usually I will just add some hot water. But right now I'm on the journey of making latte art. So since I drink matcha almost every day, I don't want to put myself in a habit of putting sugar. So there is no sugar in this, so I can keep it very healthy. Let's sit and chit chat right here. Before we get to making my oats, I just wanted to show you that this is a mini little keychain book that I got from Muji, which I think is absolutely cute because I'm going to start writing inspirational quotes here and then maybe hang it on my bag. And whenever you feel like kind of low or whenever you need motivation, you can just open up and read whatever the quotes that you've written down. So I'm going to start doing that from today onwards. So let's get cooking for breakfast. I add apples in there too, just a few, and then a few of them I'm gonna just top it up. I'll be adding some Fruit Loops too, a scoop of homemade peanut butter. Super hungry, and this has got to be the most satisfying bowl ever. Yum. Okay guys, so for lunch I am planning to go to my mom's house. I want to really eat Indian food, and whenever I eat Indian food to go to her place. So today we are gonna go there. Yeah, we're gonna cook and eat there together. Before we leave to my mom's place, I am going to make spinach and mango smoothie. We're going to use the leftover mango from the breakfast time, and some spinach and some coconut water. It's packed with antioxidants and vitamin C and K. Also, I am going to be using maca powder, which is great for hormonal balance, and it is great for relieving stress. And I'm going to be using kale powder as well. It's great for detoxifying.
Lads and lasses, we bring you the B-flat blues. The woozy, woozy, bluesy, woozy, woozy blues. Here it is.
One glass for me and one glass for Vicky. A little bit of walnuts. Super good. Hi, Mom.
Hi, baby. Hello.
Are we ready for Indian food?
Yes.
This is also a great drink my mom makes. There's cucumber, there's mint leaves, there is ginger, lemon, and it is really, really good for your health, and it detoxifies your body. Nothing like keeping yourself hydrated in the summer. Let's go see inside the kitchen. We are making Indian spiced cabbages and potato. Right, Mom? Do we have potatoes?
Yes.
Okay. Wow. So first we are going to be putting in some oil. We're going to be using these spices. This is called jeera.
Why we do this? So that you get good smell.
Okay.
It's good for health.
Okay.
So we're going to put onion first.
What color does this need to turn into?
A little bit brown.
Okay. So we'll wait for that.
We're going to put ginger, garlic, na?
Ginger. Done yet, Mom?
No, not yet. I think you should always be patient to bring the color up, brownish color, and then we will add tomato.
Okay.
After the color is a little bit brown, just add tomato.
I'm going to be putting the spices.
Yeah.
First, we'll start with turmeric.
Turmeric, salt, then masala.
Okay,
Homemade
this is masala, homemade masala, chili powder.
Yeah.
Okay.
Done.
For this, we're going to put potatoes and some florets of cabbages. We just have to wait for the cabbages to become soft. Okay, so we're gonna put up the lid on top. The lentils have already been boiled for 15 minutes. We are going to add this into this. This is my Nani. My sweet Nani is going to be making some dal. Right, Nani?
Yeah. My super mother, super good cook. I think I learned from her.
Yes. We're gonna add some tomatoes.
Not all, just a little bit.
Okay. We're just going to add some masala, the entire thing, into the lentils. Dad is back from work. He's going to be having lunch with us. Hello.
Yes.
Looking good. This is some curd.
Homemade. Na?
Homemade curd. We're gonna put some cucumber. This is already being stored in the refrigerator and grated, so it's really cold and nice, and it gives you a really refreshing feeling. Some salt and some black pepper.
Done.
And just mix it, and our curd is done. I'm just going to be topping it up with some dal. Amazing. So many chocolates. I think I'll take crunch. Crunch chocolate. Let me go and pluck my chili that I've grown in my little garden. So right now I am going to be preparing for dinner. It's an easy dinner. It's called pakbong, which is stir-fried morning glory, and it's very simple to make. Just a couple of ingredients, and I'm going to show you. Using some garlic as well. And finally the chili, I'm just going to be using half of it since everything is just too spicy for me. Okay. These are the sauces we'll need. This is the soya bean paste, some sugar, some oyster sauce, some fish sauce, and a little bit of water. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix all of it in this water. good. I am going to put a little bit of brown rice to this plate. I'm just gonna top this up with veggies, morning glory. It's good. So I am going to be ending my vlog here of what I eat in a day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Right now I'm about to have a glass of wine and probably catch up on Netflix. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, because I really enjoyed making. So if you did, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys again very soon.